Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to install XAMPP server into our system. We can use XAMPP server or XAMPP server. Here XAMPP is specific for Windows system. W stands for Windows, A for Apache server, M for MySQL and P for PHP. Let's see how to download this XAMPP server. Go through this Apache site and here you can find download option. I have already downloaded it, so let's see how to install it. But first let's check this version. It contains Apache, MySQL and PHP with PHP MyAdmin. Now let's see how to install this XAMPP server. Here this is my XAMPP server. Let's double click on it. Next. C drive XAMPP next. Okay. And next. It will take some time to install it. Then click on finish. Start the XAMPP control panel now. Yes. Okay. So this is XAMPP control panel. From here you can start or stop any service. Now let's check the directory. In your C drive, this is the directory called XAMPP. This is htdoc folder. In this folder, we will put our websites. We will create websites and save it into this htdoc folder. And from this folder, we can open any website. But we can't directly open website like HTML website. Let's check one website. So in this folder PHP1, I have just created this index.php page. Now let's see how to run this PHP script on our server. First, write localhost in URL. So it will open your XAMPP page. Now just write your folder name here, php1. So this is the output of my PHP script. So my XAMPP server is running perfectly. In our later tutorial, we will discuss the basic syntax of PHP.